right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic because today I'm kind of making more of an urgent video. We're currently recording at about 6 a.m. in the morning. As I mentioned to you guys, I'm going to be recording any time of the day to give you any updates that I believe are necessary. And one thing I want to talk about is pre-market. Pre-market today, basically, when we were kind of going over our video yesterday, we were deciding whether stocks are going to go up or down. Well, once again, stocks are trending down pre-market, and this 0.72% is nothing really huge to be concerned about. But when we look at our other investments, we have YMAX down 1.39% pre-market. We have Tesla down 4.38% pre-market. Crash, of course, is up. That's one of the ones that we bought the other day. Coinbase also down huge, 4.5% pre-market. Nvidia down 2.23%. So you can see a lot of Yieldmax ETFs are down pre-market. And so what I want to talk about in this video is my thoughts currently on all these downtrends. I also want to look at some potential investments which might look to benefit because of this and these downtrends. So that's what I want to currently talk about in this video, give you my thoughts, everything like that. So we're currently up to 6,658 subscribers, 472 subscribers in the past 28 days. I'm stumbling over my words here because that is a lot of subscribers that are new to the channel. Welcome. All right, so just for a kind of little heads up here, my portfolio is not up. Don't be kind of fooled by this uptrend here. Basically what I did was I added $2,000 more to my account. And what am I doing? Why am I doing that? Is because we need more cash in the account. Right now, I'm sitting on my hands, and the reason being is because the market is currently trending down. The only thing that I'd potentially be looking to do right now, in my opinion, would be buying short ETFs, and I wouldn't be buying them like crazy. Maybe I might put $1,000 into SPXS, which is a 3 times bear. I'll make a video maybe later today or tomorrow if I do this, but currently, I'm not buying anything for a long position. I won't be buying any more YMAX because, as you guys know, yesterday what I did was I put in about $1,000 worth of YMAX at $17.42. Well, since then, YMAX has actually fallen. They've fallen to a share price of $17.29 now after hours to $17.05. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be holding off on buying any more YMAX until I see a slowdown. When I see big moves like this, a negative 1.39% move, a negative 4% move, a negative 4.5, 4.6% move, I'm going to be sitting on my hands and not buying anything long for the current time being. Look, if we look at a kind of over the past year, this drop that we had the other day was the biggest kind of drop we've seen over the past year in a single day. Now we're being followed by consistent red candles and consistent down days. We're currently at a marker where about 586, this is a current support point. But as you can see, just pre-market, we're kind of hitting that point and going below at about 580, which is already below here. So 580 is a pretty big support, but it's going to be interesting to see what happens with the market. The reason I'm making this video so early is because we're down pre-market, and I've seen big numbers down in big companies like TSLY, Coinbase, and also Nvidia. And so what we can do if we are concerned about a market downtrend and we do think the market's going to go lower, you could start to buy some short ETFs. You could buy dips, you could buy as well fiat, and you can also buy YQQQ. These are 3 Yieldmax ETFs which could help protect you on the downside, as well as SPXS for a 3 times bear. So if you do think the S&P 500 is going to fall more and fall sharper, or you want to protect yourself from this fall, you could buy some SPXS. Honestly, currently that's what I'm looking to do. That's looking like the best option for myself currently at this time, as I do invest in YMAX. I have a sizable portion amount invested within YMAX, sitting currently at about where do we have it here? YMAX currently sitting, okay, well, this is in my margin account position, so I can't really show you, but I think it's somewhere around 13.5 to 14,000. But definitely might look to add some SPXS just because I'm uncertain where the market's going to go, and currently this current pre-market down is kind of confirming that we are entering a bit of a downtrend. even if we do hit levels like 580, which we're kind of seeing pre-market, or if we trend even further down to 560, SPXS is likely to benefit from that. So that's kind of my opinion going forward. I do think we're currently in the start of a downtrend. We're currently seeing this in many major stocks. So I might look to add some of these short positions to my portfolio. And just to kind of look at the overall market here, we can see this is kind of globally. A lot of worldwide markets are down. You can see like the TSX is starting down today, and this is all pre-market. It looks like this is the Mexican market down about 1.4%. You have the Chinese market barely down, to be honest. You have India's Bombay market down 1.49%. So just even looking at other kind of countries' markets now can kind of give you an idea of what's going on. It looks like most European markets are down about 1%. You have Australia's down 1.24. So there's definitely, because of the, I don't know if this is necessarily because of the US stock market, but a lot of worldwide markets are currently down. Thankfully, what I've done is I actually sold out of a lot of positions in the past few days. We're looking at December 12th, December 13th is when I sold. I sold out of EPR to give myself $770 worth of cash. I sold out of YMAX, actually $18.28 in my CIBC account, which gave me $400 in cash. SQY, I sold out at a great price of $20.50 in my CIBC account, giving me an extra $1,000 in cash, and a little bit of WBA, an extremely poor performing position. So as you can see, I sold a few positions. This was, to be like straight up, this was back when the market was about 600 points or so, you should say. But I'll be using this cash, putting it all into my CIBC margin account, because what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to scoop up amazing ETFs like YMAX at great prices using margin, using my buying power. So that's kind of where I'm currently sitting at. If you guys did enjoy this video, we're going to keep a close eye, and I'm going to make any updates that I can for the market and how I think it's currently positioned. Just wanted to give you guys kind of a pre-market video to show you, okay, what's going on and how are companies kind of reacting currently. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe. 6,658 subscribers is currently where we're sitting at. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll keep you guys posted on any buys, updates, things like that. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.